With offices in Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific, and North America, Bird & Bird is a truly international law firm.
Velkommen til Bird & Bird.
鸿鹄欢迎您。
Willkommen bei Bird & Bird.
Welcome to Bird & Bird.
We're a diverse and equal workforce of 1,300 lawyers working together as one firm.
We're a firm that's been passionate about promoting and protecting innovation since 1846.
Like our first reported patent case in 1909, protecting the IP rights in the first electric light bulb.
Our vision is to be the #1 law firm in the world for organisations being changed by technology or the digital world.
Our lawyers are completely immersed in the industries they advise on.
And are true experts in the sector shaping our world.
We're driving the future of mobility and helping the defense and security industry meet global threats with cutting-edge solutions.
We are helping shape up banking in the digital age and flying high with international airlines.
You'll find us at the beating heart of life sciences and healthcare. And at the front of the crowd for the revolution in media, entertainment, and sports.
We understand how consumers are changing and what that means for the businesses serving them, why energy, production, and consumption is being transformed.
Where technology is heading.
We help organizations with major transactions and litigation shaping their business.
And lead the way on the developments which will define the future.
Our one-firm culture means that we collaborate seamlessly across borders,
working together every day to get the right results.
So, what does all this mean for our clients?
Well, whether it's M&A,
in London, or litigation,
in Germany, or IP solution,
in China, or tech transactions in the Nordics, we have the reach,
the knowledge,
the expertise, and the people to keep your business on track for whatever lies ahead.